A tracker with style. Yo, what's up guys, it's me, Mr. Game here, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another exciting unboxing for you guys, and this time around is the brand new Apple AirTag. So if you are in the Apple ecosystem, this is something that you should be looking at if you are someone who always forget about stuff and can't find your things, etc. So this thing retails it at 45 SGD. It's about $29 USD, and you can get it in the store right now. So let's have a look at this single pack AirTag, which is supposed to be launched last year, but I think there's some project delay, and due to COVID, everything was delayed. So without further ado, let's check it out. And this could probably be the most cheapest Apple product you can purchase. So this three document is more on the information, safety, and also the warranty document. And this is it, the Apple AirTag. Inside, as usual, the Apple style information. Keep it very minimal, very simple. Product smack right in the middle. Lovely. And let's take it out for the first time. It is a little white dot. The size is about a Singapore dollar coin, and it's slim enough for you to slot it anywhere you want. The bottom part is made out of aluminium, and the top part, the white portion, it's made out of plastic with an engraving of an Apple logo, and there's some text to it. Designed by Apple, assembled in China. Bluetooth LE, which represent low energy, and AirTag. It looks great when it's brand new. Of course, when you are placing it to whichever place you want to put, definitely going to be scratches. So right now, I'm just going to do my setup by pulling off this plastic. So once I pull out this plastic, there should be a sound coming out, which sounds like this. That's a welcome sound from the AirTag. As you can see, I have my iPhone X right here, and it was not updated to iOS 14.5, so it instantly prompted me to update my phone right now. So before we do anything, make sure that our phone is updated to 14.5 before we can carry on the whole entire process. So as you can see over here, it immediately reads the AirTag once I put it at the side of the phone. And setting up is so easy. They will prompt you which item you want to tag it. So right now I'm just going to tag a camera for myself right now, as I'm very sad. Recently I have lost my hard disk, so I think this is best for me to track my equipment. So how do you know whether your AirTag is already paired with your iPhone? Just hear this sound. This is how you know if your AirTag is already paired with your iPhone. Alright, replacing battery is really simple too. All you need to do is just to press the aluminum side of your AirTag and twist it anti-clockwise, and that's where the aluminum side will pop out, and you can just take it out very easily. And inside is just a CR2 battery. How long does it last? According to Apple, they said that it will last at least a year, but not to worry, you can also view it from your app itself. Alright, so after placing in your new battery, you will hear this sound, which means the new battery has already been replaced. So in order for your AirTag to work properly, make sure you have your Find My enabled on your Bluetooth and also your Wi-Fi or your cellular from your telco. Once everything is done, you can open up your Find My app, go under item section. You should be able to find your AirTag, which you have labeled it earlier, and that is where you can start using it. If you want to know where your item is hiding, you can actually press the play button. It will make a sound like this, and it will repeat 3 times. If you still unable to find, you can just keep pressing the play sound button, or if you have an iPhone 11 and above, you can use the find button on the side to use a more precise finding for your item. And I must say that I'm really lucky to get to see all the Hermes collections. And if you want to get yourself an Hermes collections AirTag, you can get it at the Apple Store right now. It comes with the Hermes keychain, Hermes bag charm, and also an Hermes luggage bag tag. And of course, you don't have to buy the most expensive accessories. You can also get accessories from Apple themselves, they do come with the leather keyring or a leather loop, and I believe a lot more third-party company are coming out their own version too. Alright guys, that is it for my video. If you find this video useful, make sure you slap a like button, subscribe to be my friend, and I will see you in my next video. Okay, thanks, bye.